Embrace the allure of tropical North Queensland with a motorhome holiday from Cairns. From the Great Barrier Reef to the ancient Daintree Rainforest, this region is full of freedom, exploration, and cultural experiences. Get ready to discover why a motorhome road trip is the best way to go for your holiday, and set out on an expedition where every turn of the road offers new views and tropical thrills. Aside from any documents and money, what you bring will depend mainly on where you plan to go and what you want to do. Swimming, surfing, hiking, these activities all influence your luggage. Cairns weather can range from wet to dry, so pack a variety of weather-smart clothing. Check our depot hours ahead of time to make sure we are open on the day that you plan to start your motorhome hire in Cairns. We are usually open, but it doesn't hurt to check what time we are opening and closing. Cairns itself might have some traffic during peak hours, but it's generally manageable. Also be prepared for sudden tropical downpours, especially during the wet season. Drive carefully if roads become wet and slippery. If you're camping close to the city, it may be easier to walk or take a bus if you're not confident about the parking availability. You'll find street parking around the city, as well as designated parking for motorhomes at some shopping centres. Cairns is waiting to be explored. Tropical thrills are sure to wow you at every turn on your road trip from Cairns. Still have questions about packing and planning for your motorhome road trip? Then head over to our blog and read the full checklist.